Hey everyone, it's your favorite. Ooh. Hey everyone, it's your favorite. Burping girl, Andrea.
Ooh, is it just me or could I smell that from my computer screen? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I know, right? Me uploading multiple videos in the same week? Man, that's so crazy. Hey, listen. Sometimes I get a little unmotivated to make videos because of a sweet little thing called depression. But today we're going deep into the dark side of YouTube. And no, I'm not talking about Onision, although I could make an entire video about him, but right now making a video about him seems a little bit too, I don't know, emotionally exhausting. Like, I don't have the willpower to sit down and talk about this man's descent into pure and utter chaos. Instead, we're going to be diving right into the most disturbing channel I've ever come across. Ever. Did I say ever already? Because this stuff is, it's a spectacle, to say the least. I'm talking about Burping Girl, otherwise known as Andrea Martz. Burping Girl uploads fetishized content of burping. I'm not kidding. This is what she does on her channel. It is the most weird thing I've ever witnessed. Like, don't get me wrong, she can do whatever she wants to, entertain, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna make fun of it. Don't worry guys, it's all fun and games on the Jorji channel. If you don't know who Burping Girl is, despite of the amount of commentary channels who've made videos on her, I'm jealous. I'm truly jealous. I wished that I didn't find her channel, so just don't watch this video. Don't submit yourself to this. To be honest, I think it's the amount of fetishizing that goes on in her videos that I find the most disturbing. Like, I'm not trying to be rude, however...
Don't you wish you can... Don't you wish you can join me for a slice of pizza?
Look at this with a straight face and tell me in the slightest bit that this isn't sexualized. I mean, she's moaning. See what I mean? So after falling down the rabbit hole of Burping Girl, I can confidently say that this probably isn't the content for me. However, Andrea has a pretty dedicated following. She gets pretty decent amount of likes and an equally decent amount of comments. Okay, now it's time to read some of the Burping Girl's comments. You're amazing. Aww. You're perfect for me. Okay, that's super cute, but Dave, you used the wrong "your." Here, let me fix it for you. There we go. Good to see you again. You look gorgeous all over. See? Look how supportive her fans are. I love your beautiful belly. I mean, see? Can you make your belly so big? I don't know what this person said, but I'm sure there's a compliment in there somewhere. If I could go to bed with you, I would use your tummy as my pillow and you could do farts to keep me warm. I mean, she has a pretty dedicated fan base. So the way that she entertains may be a little weird to most, but that is who she is, an entertainer. I can't say I wasn't entertained watching her videos, but yeah. I don't know, man. It's just, it's not for me. I can't, I don't know. I'm not really into the whole burping fetish, but yeah. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy this video and you want to see more content similar to this, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. Tell me what other things to talk about and stuff. So yeah, normally not everyone makes it to the very end of the video, so if you made it this far, then consider yourself lucky because you're a part of the like 2% of people on my channel that watch my videos all the way through. I hope you feel special. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Peace.